Hello, this is my review for WADOS. This is the denim jacket for women. I chose an indigo color, size small. So I like this jacket, it's very comfortable. Um, the sleeves are a little bit long, but that's for me because I'm a petite size. But other than that, they fit perfectly. So the jacket is buttoned down, as you can see, and you can close it if you wish. Um, I'm just doing it to demonstrate the product here. And it has 4 pockets. It has 2 here and 2 pockets here. But here I find that the pockets around the sides are very useful. This is how they look in the back. And what I love about this jacket is that it's comfortable, it's soft. I can match it with my jeans, with pants, with a skirt, and with my favorite accessories. It's very comfortable. I mean, I can think of many uses that I can give it to. And the indigo color is so pretty and it's very casual. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.